Dubai. My name is Lemwan Sangi, 25 years young, coming from the most peaceful state of the country, Mizoram. The two things I love about Mizoram are the hospitality of the people and its peaceful environment, and I love singing, painting, and reading. Currently, I'm a teacher trainee and I hope to become a good teacher in the future. And I strongly believe that giving the right education to children from childhood is crucial for their upbringing and for humanity. Our country needs kindness and gentleness more than cleverness. And we need humanity, which is the biggest lesson I've learned in life. And my passion is to make people believe in humanity through my actions and words. And I hope to achieve that passion through Miss India. Thank you.